Welcome to HODL Tutorials, buying HODL using MetaMask mobile app. Select the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner. Select Browser. In the search bar, type HODLtoken.net. Select the three-dot menu in the bottom right-hand corner. We need to switch our network. Select Switch Network. Scroll down and select SmartChain. Copy the HODL contract address. Go back to your Web3 browser and search for PancakeSwap.finance. We need to connect our wallet. Select MetaMask. Connect your MetaMask wallet to PancakeSwap. Select Trade. Select the bottom token. Paste the HODL contract address. Select Import. You will be prompted to import tokens. Select I understand. Select Import. This tutorial is not financial advice. We could choose how much HODL we wish to purchase, but in this tutorial, we will be choosing the amount of BNB we wish to spend. We need to set our slippage tolerance. What is slippage? Slippage is the price difference between submitting a transaction and transaction confirmation. Price might rise. Price might fall. What is slippage tolerance? Slippage tolerance is a pricing difference setting that users are willing to accept when swapping. Adjust your slippage tolerance for taxes and market conditions. More trading requires more slippage tolerance. Slippage and tokenomics tax are not the same thing. Select the gear icon next to the word swap. We will be using a custom slippage tolerance of 15%. When you are finished, close out the settings. Our custom slippage tolerance of 15% is confirmed in the bottom right-hand corner. Select Swap. Confirm Swap. Confirm your transaction on the Binance Smart Chain. Congratulations! Your transaction has been submitted. You can view your transaction receipt on the Binance Smart Chain network using the BSC scan link. Thank you for considering purchasing HODL, and thank you for watching this tutorial.